Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to mute typing notifications on Snapchat on your Android phone so you can stop those constant alerts and enjoy a quieter experience. If you're getting distracted every time someone starts typing on Snapchat, the good news is you can easily turn those notifications to silent with just a few taps. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is the main control center for everything on your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. You may need to scroll a bit depending on how many apps you have. After opening Snapchat's app settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you can control every type of alert Snapchat sends to your device. Now look for notification categories and tap on it. This section breaks down different types of Snapchat notifications so you can customize them individually. From here, find and tap on Typing. This is the setting responsible for those someone is typing alerts. Finally, select Silent. This will mute typing notifications without turning them off completely, so they won't interrupt you with sounds or pop-ups.